flood damage occurs on the Upper Rouge River with minor flooding occurring on the main branch. Additional details at 7:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 15.
Oh my God!
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 15.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight.
Oh my God!
15.0 feet. Flood history. No available flood history.
That's a jolt.
Weather.gov/safety/flood.
That jolted me up in the middle of an EAS scenario. Oh my. Oh. Well, let's look at how many EAS captains I've done. Hold on. I need one more real quick.
Impacts at 14.0 feet. The river reaches Bankful. At 15.0 feet, flooding begins in some park areas, the River Rouge Municipal Golf Course, and a few homes. Most flood damage occurs on the Upper Rouge River with minor flooding occurring on the main branch. Additional details at 7:30 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 15.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 15.1 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight.
First on NOAA radio, now on television.
Flood history. No available flood history.
Plus, you got the right call sign for the message. They got KTX, which is just DTX short for the short, and K, which is KCC3, both mixed up. So they got it right. I thought I'd just say WXYZ or something, or something states that you guys are on. Alright.